Hey Finxters, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about macros in PyCharm. So what are macros? Macros provide us a convenient way to automate repetitive procedures that we need to do frequently while writing our code. You can record, edit, and playback macros, assign a shortcut to them, and then share them. Now I want you to remember a couple of points. Macros can be used to combine a sequence of editor related actions within a file. And the second, you cannot record button clicks, navigating to pop-ups, and accessing tool windows or menus or dialog boxes. So please keep these points in mind. Now let us have a look at an example. Let us see how we can record a macro. In order to do that, you need to select Edit, move on to Macros, and then select Start Macro Recording. Now I am going to create a macro that records the to-do comment. Now we need to stop recording the macro. In order to do that, we again need to go to Edit and then Macros and finally press or select Stop Macro Recording. Now you need to enter a name for the macro. So let us name it to do and let's click on OK. Now we are done recording our macro. Let me add something else to this to do comment as well. Now, once we are done recording our macro, we now need to bind or attach a shortcut key to our macro. Otherwise, what you would have to do is move on to Edit, Macros, and then click on to do or the name of the macro that we previously recorded. So in order to avoid all these steps, you can simply attach a shortcut to your macro. In order to do that, simply press Ctrl, Alt and S on the keyboard. This opens up the settings window for us. Then move on to the key map section. Within the key map section, you will find a section for macros. So expand the macros section. Now once you do that, you'll find that the macro that you recorded previously will be available under this option. So right click on the macro that you created and select Add Keyboard Shortcut. As soon as you do that, a window opens up. Now you need to define the shortcut that you want to attach to your macro. So let's assign control and semicolon as the shortcut for our macro. And let's click on OK and apply and finally OK. Now let's check if this works. I want to add the to do comment just above my subtract function. So let me use the shortcut that we just defined, control and semicolon. And there we go. We have our to do comment. So let me name it subtract. And let me do that again. And there we go. We have the macro again. And this time I'll name it multiply. So I hope you can now easily create or record a macro and then assign a shortcut to it. This can be quite useful while doing repetitive tasks, since I might be needing the to do comment a lot of times in my program. So I created a shortcut for the to do comment by creating a macro for it and then attaching the shortcut. Now that was it for this short video.